This 1969 Jaguar XKE is more than a car. It's a vision through the looking glass of time. At Kip Motor Company, we're not just restoring vehicles, we're recreating history. From the curve of its body to the heartbeat of its engine, every inch touched by our hands. For some, it's just a test drive, but for us, it's the first breath of a dream brought to life, with passion, with skill, with knowledge. We are recreating history. Experience history. Kip Motor Company, driving the past into the future.